95% of GoHighLevel agency owners don't have even one client in their sub accounts. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can instantly be in that top 5% of all GoHighLevel agency owners. And by the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a secret sales strategy that they use to generate anywhere from 2 to 3 clients every single week. Now, over the past 2 years, I spent over 20 grand on courses, I'm not lying, pertaining to GoHighLevel, starting an agency, paid ads, and even spent $7,500 on Wes Watson's course, which, by the way, I don't recommend. It wasn't the best decision I've ever made. And these courses have helped me go from $43.14 in February to now making over 10K per month. And at the end of this video, I'll go over the #1 sales secret to close just about anyone with one call that the top 5% are using. And if you would like a free 30-day GoHighLevel account and personal mentoring from me, where I help you land at least one client within that time, click the link in the description below at laptop-freedom.com. Now, #1, practice, right? #1 thing. Now, what I would recommend doing before you have any clients is to create a sub account in GoHighLevel and act as if it was a client, right? Act as if it was a real client. I was fortunate enough in the beginning to have friends with businesses that trusted me and allowed me to mess up in the beginning. But if you are not that fortunate, then I recommend just practicing with an empty sub account. And after around a month of learning GoHighLevel's automations, building sites, custom values, trigger links, adding domains, getting phone numbers and emails, then I would start promoting myself. #2, local promotion. Up next, I would recommend joining local business Facebook groups because they're free and easy to generate leads and clients. And I would ask if anyone would like to try a new system that you just built to automatically text clients and generate new leads without expensive Facebook ads. Now, the way mine looked that got a ton of traction is something like this. So I just built a software that sends personalized texts and emails on autopilot to prospects, get more business without expensive paid ads, perfect for local biz / home improvement biz, looking for people to try it for free and give honest feedback. Now you can see below, there's just tons of comments of people saying info, I like more information, please. Interested. And what you want to do with all these comments is comment back and tell them you just DM them. And then once they DM you, try to get their phone number, call them, get them on a Google Meet or Zoom call, and then try to close them right away. You don't want to wait. You want to call these people when they're interested within the first 5 to 10 minutes, ideally. Then after doing this and generating my first 2 to 3 clients, right? Or 3 to 5 clients, then I would attempt to go into more of the mass outreach kind of strategy, the strategy that I'm in right now to get to that 15 client mark. So #3 is mass outreach, right? So after doing the Facebook groups and getting clients for free in the Facebook groups, then I would go to send cold emails, sending 1,000 to 2,000 every single day to your directed target audience. This is the most effective strategy that I have seen to scale from 3 to 5 clients to 15 within just 3 months. And this is the exact strategy that I still use to this day. The key to a successful email campaign is the personalization and the offer. We make each email highly personalized when we scrape for business review ratings at the top of each email. So it looks like we just looked into them that same day. And this is kind of how it looks. So this is how we're sending the emails. You can see this Google business page list is 4,000 emails sent already. And they both have around 40,000 leads total that we're sending. Again, 2,400 emails every single day from both of these accounts. And you can kind of see how they look here in master inbox. You can see what the emails actually look like because that is the most important thing. So we have 3 follow-up emails. And then from the start, it's, hope your day is going well. Happy Friday. And then it's, I just looked into you, saw you had this many reviews at this rating. So it looks like we actually just look into their account, but really we're just scraping this data, right? And then it goes right into the testimonial. So how we've helped another company. And then at the very end, it's the offer, right? So the most important things, again, are the personalization in the offer. And instead of asking, for some time or asking if they would like to speak, ask instead to send a personalized video because you're going to get a lot more yeses from that. And then from there, we give a testimonial, on how we help somebody else. Instead of asking for time to talk, we ask if we could send them a personalized video like I just went through. Now, if you want to scale quickly, you need to be cold calling the positive replies and get them on a strategy session as soon as possible, right? So from here, and you can see that this last campaign just totally blew up, right? There's tons of interested replies. We mark them as interested. And then I'm gonna call this person up right away. Usually their number's right here, right in their email. But if it's not, then we go back into the Excel sheet that we scraped, we find their number, and then we call them up right away. Super important to do that. Now, the bonus, like I promised, I'm gonna share with you guys what the top 1% or 5% of GoHighLevel agency owners are doing to generate 2 to 3 leads per week or 2 to 3 deals per week. The top 1% of agency owners will not tell you this secret. The key to getting more clients is doing work for them for free, right? GoHighLevel is the perfect platform to do this with its texting automation, which allows us to send messages to business owners' previous list of prospects for a Google review campaign. We have found that we can convert around 5 to 10% of people in each campaign and generate the business owner immediate traction with reviews. After we get them free work, then we pitch them on the $1,500 setup fee for the site, the automation, the local SEO, and after 30 days, we start charging $500 per month. So the way we get them immediate traction is we go into their account, we create them first a sub account, and then we create them some automations. This is one that's currently running right now. And we're basically sending a text and an email to a previous list of their clients saying, you know, this is a Google review campaign. We're not gonna say that exactly, but we're saying, hey, we're doing like a raffle to win a $75 gift card to the restaurant of your choice. It only takes 10 seconds to win. So give us a 5-star review and you can be entered to win. And then they click on this link, and clicking on this link actually brings them to a page like this, right? That we build them out customly or customized for each client that we build out for them. At the top is gonna have their logo, then behind is gonna have a picture of some of their work. And then you can see here, if they click anything less than a 4-star review, it just takes them to a page where they can give feedback. And then they click anything more than a 4 or a 5-star review, then it's gonna take them to a page where they can actually, again, write that review and then give them the 4 or the 5-star review. So it takes them right to this page. And this method, we actually started running this last Friday, and now it's Saturday. So it's been a little over a week, and they've generated over 23 5-star reviews. And this is actually a business owner. His name is Mark with Americraft. And after we were able to generate him a bunch of reviews for free, he was like, you're the first agency that we've ever worked with that generated, you know, immediate results. How can I pay you? And then immediately he paid me the $1,500 on the spot, and he was super happy and I was super happy. So if you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.